Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. Today we're doing an unboxing of a grab bag that I purchased from a company called GondekEDC. If you're not familiar with GondekEDC, they are a small family-run business based right here in the United States, I believe in Wisconsin. And they sell everything from pry tools to knives to EDC pouches. And the one thing that they're most well known for is their EDC hanks. They're always coming out with some new great ones, and they're relatively inexpensive. So definitely check them out. But this weekend I got an email saying that they were selling grab bags, and the whole deal was if you spent $50, you get $100 worth of product. If you spent $100, you get at least $200 worth of product, and you were guaranteed at least one metal item. And I'm not quite sure what that metal item is going to be, whether it be a pry tool or a fidget spinner or fidget toy, whatever you want to call it. But I'm excited to break into this. So excited that I mean, they put a lot of tape on this. It's going to be a bear trying to get into. So before I started this video, I did end up cutting some seams just so I can streamline this process a little bit better. But I have a feeling I'm just going to have to rip this box. So might as well just get into it and see what's in here. All right, the box is ripped open, and we have some paper. All right. Now, first item, made in the United States. Awesome. We're gonna open that up. Not quite sure what this is. It's soft. I feel bad opening up because it is such a nice package. But what is it? What is it? Looks like a piece of titanium. I believe this is their titanium worry stone. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. It's actually a pry tool, and you have a hex wrench there for a bit driver, and I believe you can use this as a bottle opener. So those are some great two great finds there. That's pretty awesome. And every time you buy something, they send a card. This is Max Gondek, CEO and co-owner. He owns it with his wife, and you can see the website on the bottom there. Hopefully it's focusing. And he always signs the back of the card. So next item, we have a couple Ranger eyes. They are perfect because there is a new Transformers movie out, and this is actually a hank organizer. I believe this is a 3D printed, and looks like last but not whoa, hey, we got a bunch of hanks. Wow. All right, I believe that's everything in the box. Let's take a look at the hanks. So this is a nice hank here. Stars and moons, and not quite sure, maybe that's some sort of calendar. So this hank organizer, I believe you put it like that. I like that one. It looks like a topographical map. It's pretty awesome. And put that one here. And look at that. That's some Transformers EDC hank with Transformers on it. That is awesome. So I definitely have a large collection of GondekEDC hanks, and this is just going to add to them. I am very happy about these. I'm going to have to fight my kid over this one here, especially. But some great things from GondekEDC, so make sure you check them out. Their website is GondekEDC.com, and you can email them at info@GondekEDC.com. So some great gear here, and make sure you sign up for their mailing list because things like this aren't typically listed on their website, so you'll get deals like this aren't typically listed on their website, so make sure you sign up for that mailing list. So as always, I appreciate everyone watching. I hope everyone's having a great day, and carry on.